Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a guest account in Windows 11. Setting up a guest account is a great way to allow others to use your computer without giving them access to your personal files or the ability to make system-wide changes. This ensures a secure and restricted environment for temporary users. Let's dive right in and get started. First, click on the Start menu and select the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, choose the Accounts option from the left sidebar. Scroll down and select the Other Users section. Click on the Add Account button. When prompted, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Next, choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username for the new guest account. Note that the word guest cannot be used as the account name. While it's recommended to leave the password fields empty for a guest account, you can set a password if you prefer. Click Next to proceed. Now, let's add some restrictions to this new guest account. Click on the Start menu and type Computer Management and open it. In the Computer Management window, click on Local Users and Groups on the left side. Select the Groups folder and double-click on Guests. Click the Add button. A Select Users dialog box will appear. Enter the name of the new guest account you just created and click on the check names to verify it. Once the name is verified, click OK. Then click OK once more. You've now successfully created a guest account in Windows 11 with restricted privileges. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.